In this video, I'll be showing you how to view and print class broadsheets. These steps are very simple and very easy. So let's get to it. First of all I need to do is to click on my report sheet. My report sheet is found on my main menu. So I'm clicking on my report sheet, and on my report sheet I have check results, I have class broadsheet, and I have full class results. So what I'm doing here now is to click on the class broadsheet, and I'm going to be selecting the right informations. I'm going to be selecting my class. All through this tutorial we'll be working with JS1. So I'm going to be selecting the assessment. I'm going to click on view class broadsheet, and this is the interface. I click on class broadsheet, and all I need to do here now is to select my year, select the term, select the class that I want to view the broadsheet, select the assessment, and next I'm going to click on view broadsheet, and this is going to take me to the broadsheet of JS1, to the broadsheet of that class. And with this now I can see a comprehensive list of every score from every student in this broadsheet. Now it makes it easy for me, and the next part I'm going to be showing you now. With this now I can see every score that a student have for each subject, the total, the average score, the class position, and many more. Now to make this more interesting, we are going to be printing and we are going to be downloading it as PDF. Now there are two buttons right here. This one can enable me download this information as PDF. This one will enable me print. So what I want to do right now is to download this information as PDF. I have to click on it, and automatically my broadsheet will be downloaded to my file manager. And what if I want to print? All I need to do is to click on the print icon, and it will take me to an interface where I have to select my printer and select the mode of printing if I want it on landscape. Now it will take me to an interface where I'm going to select my printer. I'm going to also select the layout that I want it to be printed out in. Final one. It takes me to an interface where I have to select my printer and select the number of copies, select my layout, and the rest of it. So once I'm done selecting, all I need to do is to click on my print, and automatically I'm going to have a hard copy of my broadsheet. So this is the simple steps. This is the simplest step of how you can view and print your broadsheet on your learning space on CloudNotte. See you in the next video.